ProDentim is a probiotic supplement designed to support healthy teeth and gums and is being hailed as the most powerful gum and teeth restoring solution in the world. By letting the sugar-free probiotic candies melt in your mouth daily, the ProDentim tablets can spread active, beneficial bacteria throughout your mouth to support not only your teeth and gums, but overall health too. Each ProDentim Advanced Oral Probiotics tablet is loaded with 3.5 billion CFU per capsule and also contains other high-profile nutrients like inulin powder from chicory root and Streptococcus salivarius. Keep watching to find out more. What is ProDentim? ProDentim is an oral health supplement available on the official website ProDentim.com. Unlike a traditional probiotic supplement, ProDentim works in your mouth, not your gut, as the first scientifically backed probiotic soft candies that allow you to stop gum bleeding and tooth decay ultra fast. You simply chew or let the ProDentim probiotic candy melt in your mouth instead of swallowing a capsule. As you chew and the ProDentim candy melts in your oral cavities, you release the ingredients into your saliva, the lifeblood of the mouth. Your saliva spreads the active ingredients throughout your mouth, supporting a healthy oral microbiome. Your gut is home to billions of bacteria. However, your mouth is also home to bacteria. These bacteria help you break down the food you eat, maintain good breath, and trigger hormone production, among other benefits. By targeting your oral health using the power of probiotics, ProDentim can purportedly support healthy inflammation, your respiratory tract, and an overall healthy mouth, among other benefits. ProDentim side effects. According to the official website, ProDentim is generally considered safe for people of all ages and all medical conditions. A doctor also developed the ProDentim formula, giving the supplement an extra layer of legitimacy over competing formulas sold online today. The manufacturer regularly tests its ingredients and formula to protect against toxins and contaminants. The supplement is also made in an FDA-approved facility under sterile, strict, and precise standards. However, if you have a medical condition or are taking prescription medication, you should talk to your doctor before taking ProDentim or any supplement. ProDentim features. The makers of ProDentim emphasize all the following features linked to ProDentim. Easy to use, non-GMO and gluten-free, non-habit forming, natural formula with no stimulants, a soft, chewable tablet that dissolves in your mouth like candy. Take daily to support oral health, inflammation, gums, teeth, and more. ProDentim reviews. According to the ProDentim website, you can expect powerful benefits when taking the supplement. The supplement is backed by testimonials from clients who have enjoyed immediate benefits after taking ProDentim. Some of the reviews and experiences left by customers include: one customer claims his teeth feel amazing for the first time in decades since taking ProDentim. Another user claims her dentist recommended she take ProDentim. Today it's unbelievable how much she likes taking ProDentim. Another user claims his gums have never looked better since taking ProDentim and says he no longer worries about his teeth. ProDentim pricing. ProDentim is priced at $49 to $69 per bottle, with discounts available when ordering multiple bottles simultaneously on the official ProDentim website. A 60-day money-back guarantee backs ProDentim. You're entitled to a complete refund within 60 days with no questions asked if you're unhappy with ProDentim for any reason. For more info, visit our site today. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.